Hey everyone, so I just wanted to let you know what's going down today. So I am currently at the Goodwill, best place on earth, and I am looking for at least 11 mugs. So if you guys saw like my DIY bridal shower sign video, I decided to use all my old coffee mugs since I'm moving after I get married and turn them into party favors. So I counted yesterday and I only have 14 I have 14 coffee mugs and teacups that I can use, but the head count for the bridal shower is about like 25, 26. So I'm at Goodwill right now and I am going to show you what I get, hopefully, if I get something. But I literally have a big box in the back of my car because Mama buying a lot of coffee cups. So I just got back from the store. I got 11 mugs and I spent $12 on 11 mugs. So that's pretty good. But they're just kind of chilling back there. So we're gonna start out by cutting out our little tags on the scan and cut. And I am using this embroidery perfection tape from R&K to kind of hold on the cardstock since it doesn't really want to stick to the mat. But you're gonna go ahead and cut out all your shapes. And next, we are going to just take them off the mat. And one thing I love about cutting out cardstock is that you literally just pop the little tag right out of the hole. You don't have to weed it or do anything like that. But I wanted to kind of highlight this embroidery perfection tape because it is a lifesaver. It makes it so easy to cut things out. I use this for a lot of stuff, to be honest, and it's okay if you tape it over the sides. It will kind of recognize it when you load it into the mat. It'll actually show up the little tape marks. And if you accidentally cut over the tape, don't worry. The blade settings will be deep enough to cut through both layers, so you don't have to worry about that at all. So we're gonna remove the tape here, and here you can see I actually cut over the tape, but it just comes right off. Not a big deal, so don't sweat it if you happen to cut out some of the tape. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start stamping our little tags here. So I had this custom stamp made and it just says Brock and Olivia on it. And this is the little graphic that I used on the invitations and it's on our website. So I decided to get that as a custom stamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and ink that to the front of the cardstock. And I chose to use brown ink here because I kind of wanted to go for that like craft paper, homemade kind of party favor vibe. So I am just taking all of my tags. I think I cut out close to 30 just to be safe, but I'm inking the front with a Brock and Olivia. And then I'm actually going to ink the back sides with this little heart. And later on, I didn't include it in the video, but I decided to just add the date of the wedding right below the heart. But you could also add plant care instructions or whatever else you wanted here, or handmade with love or something cute like that. But I just decided to go with the heart and our wedding date. And once you are done with that, you're gonna go ahead and hole punch the top and get some twine, embroidery floss, or yarn, and just cut a little piece and string that through. And I prepped about 30 of these before I planted all of my plants together, and there you go, the finished tag. It's super cute, so easily customizable to your style. You can use any colors you want, you can put whatever words you want, but this is just a fun way to add a really handmade touch to your party favors.